Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Elaine, and this is my she shed slash art studio. There's Dixie Belle laying around. Yep. So I thought I would take you. There's old buddy. He is a little terror, let me tell you. Anyhow, I thought I would take you inside so you can see what is not there. When I purchased this, hope I'm not making you seasick. When I purchased this, I purchased it as just a storage unit. So I do still have a long way to go to be able to put my supplies in it. So I'm going to go on in here, have a little porch. It's 4 foot deep, and I'm hoping we can see in here. It's a little dark. Oh, it's not too bad. Nothing much. Nothing much going on. It is bare walls. I do have a bathroom framed, and that's about it. And I had a little bit of complication. They had originally put the bathroom in the back of the building framed in. You can kind of see the area there. But I have marked places that I want lights and outlets. Electrical is the first thing that has to happen. So that's where I stand right now. And like I said, I want you to go on this journey with me. And I appreciate it. We will get back together when something else is done. Thank you much. Catch y'all later. Bye.